So I just wanted to show you around the RV, the shade, the office, the other camper. You guys want to see what we got here? We've been working on this for about 8 months, 5 months. So how I built the shade structure was I used 2-inch tubing and 2-inch angle iron for the legs, for the platform, for the purlins. So I got 2-inch angle iron for the feet of those legs so I could drill and weld into the shipping container beam. I did not go through the paneling. I've got angle iron on top of those legs to secure them, and then 25-foot purlins, which are 6 inches tall. So you can stand on them, but they kind of twist. So I put stabilizers underneath. I just put a piece of steel across the bottom right there. So that structure keeps the structure while I'm walking on top of it and installing the sheet panels. I use self-tapping screws to install those directly into the purlin. So I framed it out on the inside, insulated it. So it's kind of like a box in a box. I didn't insulate the floor, so I realized this winter that it gets cold in here. It gets really cold. So tools, workbench, tools, solar. So last night I just hooked up this. Got some nice cable wires here. I've got the EG4 6000 watt. I got the batteries, EG4 LL. So yeah, I hooked this up, if you need to know, black, red. I watched a video on that. Got some help from an electrician friend. I'm gonna have to get a ground rod and put it in here. 6,000 watt system, and I've got the circuit breaker all wired up. And I've got my lead acid battery. I switched that to lithium ion. Learned a lot about that. My grounding rod is in. It's nice to have these windows in. It's nice to be able to look out. And yeah, these solar panels are going to go in, get attached. But yeah, this is the shop. We've got lights in the roof, ceiling. My system is 10 panels, 2 arrays, 5 arrays, or 5 panels each. So it's 4,000 watt system. Enough to power my 2 mini splits, and it draws about 500 to 600 watts. Got the AC in. The air conditioning was just put in, finished yesterday. I was doing some yoga just now. Loving this here in northern Arizona. Just pull those out, provide some shade. I've got this solar array that I'm built, and we're using this now for our EcoFlow, and it works pretty good. We need 4 of these panels. These are older panels. 2 feet deep by 1.5 feet wide. I've got a piece of rebar sticking up, and this piece of rebar is down into the ground a bit, so that can be my grounding rod. Fast forward to September, and you've got 5 panels for each array. These are facing east and west, and I have 2 surge protectors for each one for each panel. In case lightning strikes, I've got it protected. The cables are buried. It's ready to go. The shade structure is holding up really well. We were away for a while and then came back, and there was no problems. We had some other issues here. These dogs are crazy. Dogs or coyotes are trying to get a rodent. in there. And it just seems like it's a futile effort. More chewing on this side. So something was in there. They're salivating, I bet. No one's gonna find this place, right? If you do, you'll be on candid camera. And we got the camper. That camper just comes in handy. One of the things we wanted to do, well, we made a flat down here for where the future house would go. We're holding off on building right now. We might not build at all, but you never know. We bought a place down in Tucson, so we're gonna go back and forth. You know, we'll come up here from time to time. We'll be down in Tucson from time to time. It's about a 4-hour drive, and you can get out of the heat. Even though it does get hot here, it's hardly ever 100 degrees here. It'll be in the 90s, 80s and 90s. We're in Tucson, it's 104, 112 the other day. Well, let's fast forward a little bit to December in Minnesota. So we came back for the holidays, visiting some family and friends, and I was just working on that video. So I put that video together just recently, and I wanted to get it out. I know it's been a long time. It's been months since I posted anything. And I didn't really show a lot of the construction of the shade structure. I was just focused on getting the work done. Had a lot of deadlines, had things to do. Sorry about that, but I tried to explain it in this video you saw earlier. So we've lived out there for a year now, from September of 2024 to September of 25, and we love it. We are going to keep that place as our, getaway, our camp, our summer retreat. We'll be there a lot of the time of the year. Taking a little break in Tucson. We go back and forth. We like it up there. We have some cameras so we can see what's going on, and if anybody snoops around, we'll know. We are probably not going to build right now. We've got some other things in the hopper. I'll be posting some more videos of the renovations that we're doing to our little house in Tucson. We have a little 1,200 square foot home in a 55 plus community, and it's out near the desert, so it's really beautiful. It's really nice, but it needs renovations. So I've been doing that in September, October, November, and we came here for December. So I hope you like that video, and I hope you stay connected so you can see the other videos of the renovations in Tucson. Just want to give a little shout out to my Uncle Mike. He watches this. Friends and family watch this. And hopefully more people on the internet. I know some local people have found it helpful. People who live off-grid, people who want to build off-grid. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing your comments and sharing some more stuff. I hope it's useful.